Let's talk about getting you ready for peak season. I've got 4 things to recommend. Number 1, plan your peak promotions calendar. Determine the key dates when promotions will be most effective. Consider holidays, seasonal trends, and industry-specific events. Outline a detailed promotional activity schedule, ensuring adequate prep time for each. Number 2, keep an eye on your key metrics. Identify the key performance indicators, such as sales volume, conversion rates, and customer engagement, that demonstrate the success of your promotions. Regularly monitor these metrics to assess the impact of your promotional efforts and adjust strategies as needed. Tip number 3, test and optimize your promotions. Before launching full-scale promotions, conduct smaller tests to gauge their effectiveness. Experiment with different offers and messaging to see what resonates best with your audience. Use the insights gained to refine and enhance your promotions. Tip number 4, do a peak review and make sure you note any learnings. After the peak promotional period has ended, conduct a thorough review to evaluate the outcomes. Analyze what worked well and what didn't, documenting any key takeaways. You can use these insights to inform future promotions and get you ready for peak next year.